Or pool video.
Or how do you hold it while we're driving? Okay, you can put it back.
Is that your pool bag?
And we also have a pool bag. Yeah.
Nice.
I'm gonna be the driver.
Uh-oh, I think your puppy's barking. He wants to come.
Yeah, well he can't because he doesn't because there's no dogs allowed at the pool.
That's true.
And if you also look out that window, there's a pool.
Oh yeah, the pool's out that window. Okay, let's go see.
Okay, you all buckled in, partner? Yeah, I'm buckled in. Camper guy, sunglasses. Hold on. We gotta put this at the back. The sink, and then we can put our sunglasses over here. That was the scrubber. And then my hat can be over here, the sink. Okay, let's go. I'll use the hat. Okay, you can use it. I'm actually gonna use my sunglasses. Okay, let's go. It is the middle of the morning, and you press it a little bit, like halfway to go slow. Okay, got it. Well, I know what I'm doing, so it's gonna be fine. But just remember, the thing cannot go slow. My glasses fell down. Okay. Okay, come on, Brandon, let's go. We got all our beach stuff and towels now. They were ready for beach school.
Oh, here's a nice shady lounge. You want to set up your towel there? And your laptop?
We have another towel in there, so then we can just like grab it out if she wants. Lauren, are you gonna come in the pool? Yeah. After I'm laying this thing out. For vloggy. Vloggy, you can sit here if you want and watch us and just relax because we know that you just woke up. There.
May I use your iPad? Your laptop?
Yep.
It's a Barbie laptop, right?
No, it's a Disneyland.
Could you get it for me, love?
Yeah, but don't use my earplugs. I already put my ears in.
Oh no, I'm not using your earplugs.
Yeah. Okay.
Think so.
I think I put it at the bottom of my thing. My code is 001.
Okay, thanks.
Yes, just gotta tell you it. No. Oh, and vloggy. Me and Landy also have to have masks. It's so warm.
Not lately. We haven't been having to use it.
It's so warm.
Is it warm today?
Yep.
Do you want to see if you can go all the way to the deep end for your swimming lesson?
Okay.
Oh, here is the laptop. Thank you. And Landy's going to see if she can do a lap for swimming class today. Oh, here we go.
Doesn't matter. I never did a lap before. I have an owie on my... I never went to the deep end before.
Oh, yes, you have. Now, are you going to do a couple laps?
Yep.
Miss Lulu?
Morning swims are always nice, vlog.
Oh, morning swims are great. Wow! Lulu! Landy! Woo!
Yeah, my name is
Yeah, those are your nicknames, so we call you Lulu and Landy.
Yep.
Go, Lulu! Woo!
You guys also make sure to check on our channel picture. That says Lulu and Landy. And also, our channel also says Lulu and Landy Play. And we like to do lots of cooking.
Oh yeah, cooking. That's right. Cooking and playing.
Other stuff.
Yep.
And it's really fun. You should see those.
Your channel's really fun.
Really fun. Also, you should try to. Hey, look. You should try to make your own channel.
Yeah. If other kids want to make a channel, it's fun.
But if you already made a channel, that's okay. Yeah. Okay, if you haven't made a channel, you have friends. No, I said if you make a channel. Okay. If you already had a channel, then that's okay.
Okay, so should we tell our vlog thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing and all that good stuff? And maybe later we can show them the cool art kit that our friend gave us?
Yeah.
Our special friend gave us a very cool art kit.
Yeah.
Do you do that later?
Yep.
Okay.
She lives somewhere up on that mountain.
Yeah, over the hill. A really nice friend of ours.
Landy said that she showed us
Come over here, honey.
our roof.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, Karen showed us our roof. Yeah, like that roof from...
She could see from her house?
Yeah. Yeah.
You're kidding me. I need to ask her about that. That is so cool. Okay, girls. What do we say?
Make sure to click that subscribe button and notification. See you later. Bye, Barbie Camper.
Woo, Barbie Camper, yes.
Also, Disney laptop.
And Disney laptop.
And Mommy.
Hi.